5 questions and answers to help pass tanker's CDL endorsement test. Before we get started, please like and subscribe if you enjoy and would like more content about CDL education. Question number 1. If you do not have an automatic tank drain, when should you drain your air tanks? Correct answer: at the end of each working day. Explanation: if your vehicle does not have an automatic air tank drain, drain your tanks at the end of each working day to remove moisture and oil. Otherwise, the brakes could fail. Question number 2. When pre-tripping your tanker, you should check for. Correct answer: leaks. Explanation: on all tank vessels, the most important item to check for are leaks. Check under and around the vehicle for signs of any leaking. Don't carry liquids or gases in a leaking tank. Question number 3. Separations between compartments inside tanks that have openings or holes in them are called. Correct answer: baffles. Explanation: baffled liquid tanks have bulkheads in them with holes that let the liquid flow through. The baffles help control the forward and backward liquid surge. Question number 4. Empty trucks. Correct answer: may require longer stopping distance than full ones. Explanation: empty tank vehicles may take longer to stop than full ones. Question number 5. When should you inspect a tank vehicle? Correct answer: before loading it, driving it, or unloading it. Explanation: you should inspect a tank vehicle before loading it, driving it, or unloading it. This is to ensure that it is safe to carry out these activities and the vehicle can safely hold its liquid or gas content. Feel free to take a free sample test in the link below to test your CDL tanker knowledge from this video. Get access to our ebooks and audiobooks in the Google Play Store. Find more CDL practice test and CDL practice endorsement test to help educate you at mile1press.com. Thanks for watching.